Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you another example of how HSS can be used on a typical 2.5D part where only certain operations must use HSS. If we take a look at this part, you can see this is a basic prismatic part where all the parts, all the machining here can be done and has been done using 2.5D, except for this particular area over here, these surfaces over here. We'll take a look at what the operator has done in order to do these surfaces, and then we'll actually do it ourselves just to show you how easy it is to be done. What he's done here is he actually used the option of parallel cuts constant Z in HSS, choosing these surfaces over here to be machined on, and the tool that was used was an 8mm end mill with a 5.5mm radius on the tip. If we take a look at the simulation, you'll see that the tool path worked exactly on those surfaces, exactly the way he wanted it to work. And now we'll go through these steps showing you how easy it actually is to program. We'll start the operation of HSS and we'll choose parallel cuts constant Z. In our geometry, we'll choose these three surfaces over here, and the tool will be using the 8mm bullnose tool with a 0.5mm radius on the corner itself. In our toolpath parameters, we'll be using a maximum step over of 0.2mm, going back and forth in a zigzag motion. And let's just do save and calculate it at this point. Now you'll note that the tool path, as it goes along the part itself, when it gets to the end, it goes up to the clearance level, and also when it gets to the gaps, it goes up to the clearance level. All we have to do for this is simply go into our links and change both my large gaps to go directly to the next area over here, so it doesn't jump all the way up to clearance level. And in my link area, also for the large moves, also go direct. Now when we do save and calculate, and we'll take again a look at our simulation, you'll see now that the tool path goes exactly where we want it to work on that surface itself, and this was done within a few small, easy steps. Thank you for joining us in SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.